Is your Amana AC outdoor unit not turning on? Don't sweat it. The most common causes are simple to check. First, confirm the unit is receiving power. Check your breaker box for tripped breakers and ensure the disconnect switch near the unit is on. Ensure the disconnect switch near the unit is on. Use a multimeter to verify you're getting the correct voltage, typically 208 to 240 volts. If power isn't the issue, the capacitor is the next most likely culprit. The capacitor provides the initial jolt to start the compressor. Look for signs of damage like bulging or leaking. A faulty contactor or relay, which activates the compressor, could also be the problem. Check the thermostat to ensure it's functioning correctly and communicating with the outdoor unit. For smart units, confirm the Amana app is connected and calibrated properly. Many Amana AC starting problems are DIY fixable, but safety first. Always disconnect power before attempting any repairs. Replacing a faulty capacitor is a common fix. Use an OEM replacement to avoid voiding your warranty. Clean corroded contacts on the contactor or relay. Check and replace any blown fuses on the control board. A simple fuse replacement can save you hundreds. Keep in mind, compressor burnout or refrigerant leaks require a certified technician to handle. Handling refrigerants without EPA certification can result in fines. Predictive maintenance can help prevent future issues. Consider integrating AI diagnostics into your system if available. Annual capacitor testing can prevent 70% of startup issues, according to HRI. Remember to consult your Amana warranty before performing any repairs. If you're not comfortable working with electrical components, always call a qualified HVAC technician.